Ants can detect and sometimes avoid borax bait, but with correct formulation and placement, you can still get effective colony control. Borax works by acting as a slow-acting toxin that worker ants carry back to the nest, so the key is creating a bait they will consume and transport rather than avoid. Start by mixing borax with a sweet attractant at a ratio of about 1 part borax to 9 parts sugar or honey, so the sweetness masks texture and odor. Thoroughly dissolve or blend the mixture so there are no gritty particles that trigger rejection. Offer the bait in shallow, open containers or on cardboard near ant trails and nesting sites so workers can feed without obstruction, and refresh bait every 2 to 3 days to keep it appealing. Replace any bait that becomes moldy or dry. If one sweet attractant fails, switch to another because different ant species prefer different sugars and viscosities. For example, some prefer honey while others prefer simple syrup made from white sugar. Avoid placing bait where rain will dilute it or where competing food is abundant. Track activity by marking a few ants with a dab of non-toxic paint or by observing trail intensity to know when to stop. When worker traffic declines markedly, you can remove remaining bait to prevent non-target exposure. Common mistakes include using too high a borax concentration, which causes workers to die before returning home and so prevents colony transfer. And the fix is to reduce concentration to a low, slow-acting level so ants live long enough to carry it back. A second issue is offering bait in a poorly accessible container or in locations with competing food sources, which leads ants to ignore it. Remedy this by placing shallow dishes directly on trails and eliminating other food cues in the area. Third is letting the bait dry out, ferment, or become contaminated, which makes it unattractive. Refresh or remake the bait every few days, store ingredients in airtight containers, and keep bait sheltered from weather. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and to help contractors find work that matches their skills and availability. We also host an active discussion community where users and pros exchange tips like bait recipes, placement strategies, and species identification to improve results for everyone.